Welcome to AlphaCars. Today we're checking out another amazing automobile. From the inside of it, you can tell it is something very special. This is 1987 Humvee. So we're just gonna turn it around so that you, our viewers, can see it better. It feels strong. This is very, very strong. With a 6.5 liter, it is actually very, very strong, very powerful. And for those of you that know Humvees, you would say 6.5 liter, what do you mean? This is supposed to be 6.2 for this year. So stay tuned, we're gonna tell you all about it. So we're going to tell you all about this vehicle, and we actually, AlphaCars is part of the history of this vehicle because we sold it to the most recent owner, and we're the ones that brought it to this absolutely amazing condition. And he had to, he spent a lot of time enjoying it. He now has other things to enjoy, and we're very lucky to have it back, so we're offering it for your consideration. And we're gonna start the review from the very back to the very front. And in fact, I'm gonna start walking from here because this thing is so long. It's very long. Check out how long it took me to walk. And there's another step because this bumper, and we'll talk about this bumper, is massive. But you think it's long? Think of it how wide it is. We're gonna walk back and check this out. And Ian will have the dimensions of this thing and then add another foot for this bumper. But it's nice, you can see it's slim this way, so when you're making those corners, you're gonna make the corner, and it has a lot of cool things that we installed after the last owner purchased the vehicle from us, and we brought it to this absolutely amazing condition. He then did his own research and worked with our service team to put together this absolutely amazing accessory package. And I have my cheat sheet, but actually this is exactly the same information we have on our website. So if you click on that link, and you can see all these accessories listed, what they are, and there may be even a link to the album of an installation process in working on this vehicle. So you can see the front push bar, you can see the bumper, you can see the massive winch. And I remember when we were doing installation in the shop, our technician did outstanding job. It's not just really like bolted on, let's be done with it. Very, very thorough, engineered installation, I would call it. So let's keep going. We're gonna peek inside the vehicle. And it is actually, even though it's a military version, and I actually love them, military version, because that's how they're supposed to be. But it's a manicured, I would say, it's a manicured military version of the Humvee. It's got the comfort seats that the recent owner had us install, and they're also matching. We tried to come up with the seats that match the vehicle. The original seats, they're definitely Spartan, very slim, padded. But these are comfy and they have side support. But we tried to match the material of the seat with the material of the doors. And yes, we have the doors. We also have the cargo divider that goes here, bolt in. There are seat belts for the rear, just a lap seat belt. And these are 3-point seat belts for the front. The seats are adjustable. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. It's kind of old manual and it's almost entertaining, hilarious. But this one has a brand new top we installed, has brand new doors. We installed the new frame components to install the top. So there's nothing old about this vehicle. Like you go and touch it and it actually feels special because it's got the character, and it feels like, yeah, I can enjoy it because there's nothing here that suggests, oh, I have to chase this, I have to, this is loose, that is loose. Nothing like that. This is pretty much, you turn the key, you turn it, it starts out up, right up, you jump in, and you go and you have fun. As we make our way around the vehicle, I'm going to point out to the finish. We selected this finish for a number of reasons. It's a beautiful, smooth finish. It's also easily maintained. You can take this in rough terrain, and I'm sure you or someone else will take it there, and it's going to get scuffed, maybe scratched. So this is very easy type of paint, and we have this paint available. It's durable, but it can blend in very easily. So that's that. And then when we did application of the paint, the interior surfaces, you can see we applied textured paint and then flat paint over it. For those of you that don't know, Humvee is made by AM General, and there's a big sign in the back. It's not obnoxious, it's kind of like just imprinted here, AM General. And then this is the custom rear bumper, and there is a winch in the back also. And then here is the, yes, let's make sure we show that. Look at the quality of everything. Stainless steel hardware throughout. And then we even have the license plate frame because it's a titled vehicle. Yes, it is a titled vehicle. So you put your state assigned plate right here. We have a license plate LED illumination. We have all the lighting. Everything is upgraded to LED. The electrical control switch is upgraded to LED. So let's maneuver our way this way. And we're gonna show you a few good things. And some of the good things for the Humvee are actually, check this out, these cute little things. Yes, it is not your typical Mercedes S-Class environment. It is fun, it's noisy, and yes, you can use the air plugs. And they come with the vehicle. Another mirror up here. Well, we're gonna have another video where we're gonna dive in a little bit more. Road test, we'll open the engine compartment. We will take you through the power plant. But one thing I will tell you about this vehicle and why it is so special, it is 1987 AM General. In 2003, it went through a substantial procedure that was completed by US military, and it is identified right here, and it pretty much says overhauled by. You see that? Overhauled by, and there's a date, 01/03. Okay, so January 2003, this vehicle was taken to Maine Readiness Sustainment Maintenance Center here in the United States, where they pretty much strip it all down and they do a complete overhaul. They put a new power plant. This one in 2003, it received a brand new, and that's how it got the 6.5 versus 6.2 liter engine. It got a brand new transmission. It has the final drive and the undercarriage. You'll see in our underbody video, it's just absolutely brand new. And then it also received a number of MWOs, Modification Work Order, because throughout the use of these vehicles, and as you know, they're used in a variety of environments, United States military learned of a number of improvements that can be done and should be done. So these are stamped out here, and they were all completed during that when the overhaul was done. So, and you can see, that's why it's so straight, because a lot of the panels that were banged up or the rivets or anything like that, it was all sorted out in 2003. And then from what we know after that, or shortly after that, this vehicle continued its service with one of the sheriff's offices down south. I forget the county, but it was not from around New England area. That's why it has minimal, almost no rust. So let me show you a little bit on the inside. And for that, we're gonna point out to the dashboard. A lot of the decals were updated. There is one right here that gives you a customer service number for the maintenance center in Maine. and it says January 2003 when that was done. This is something that we have done. This is a power distribution panel. It has huge hinges, flips out, has awesome sound. These are controller for the lights, controller for the audio, and it has unbelievable lighting. But look inside this vehicle and look at the condition of everything. Sound deadening material. It is simplistic, but it's pristine. Like, everything is actually very, very, very nice. And let's look at the underside of the Softtop, which certainly can be removed. And now you have a fully open vehicle. Also, speaking of fully open vehicle, you can see these hinges right here. So the front window can actually fall down. That's not something that you can do easily, but it can be done. And the reason you cannot do it easily because it has this roll bar right here with that light bar on top of it. So with that, all of that said, we also going to show you a little bit in the back. So let's show you how the seats work out. These are the plates, street legal vehicle. So there's plenty of room here. I'm just going to get, the seat is very, very comfortable. And there's plenty of room, there's plenty of headroom. There's certainly plenty of room to my right. It's like I can have 2 more seats up there. Look at that, 1 seat right here, 1 seat right there. So it's definitely plenty of room. Very easy to get in and out. Very easy to get in and out. And we do have some cargo space in the back, so check that out. Plenty of room there. You have your spare wheel. You have this massive rack in the back. So this is an absolutely a fun vehicle. It is a vehicle you can take some serious remote areas. And if you've gone just a little bit too far in either direction, forward or reverse, you have winches to help you get this unstuck. So for this segment of video, we're going to thank you for watching it with us. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and please let us know which videos you like the best. And I know Ian is on a tight schedule, so we're actually going to give him a ride. Ian, come on, jump in. We're going to get you. You want to go in the back?
Sure. Take me right where I need to go.
Yes. So, how's the seat in the back?
This is very comfortable.
Parking brake off. Neutral, drive. I know we can actually go up there. It can go almost vertical wall, but since you're in a rush, we're not gonna do anything extreme.
And we'd have to rebuild your rock wall.
Yes, yeah.
The drivetrain feels so smooth, very direct.
Actually, it is. So we're gonna go around the building and we'll drop you off on the other side. And it's got plenty of performance. Let's make sure the brakes are good. Oh, yes.
Oh, brakes stop very well.
Yeah.
That's surprising.
Shift's nice. So here we are. And on the way out, if you can show our viewers those 4 doors and that divider, that would be awesome. So look at that. Ian just made it way across the vehicle. How many vehicles can you do that in? Just run through.
Not many. I think if you ran fast enough, you could jump through it.
Actually, yes, that would be a good exercise. So these are the doors. They're in brand new condition. The frame is in excellent conditions. These zip like that, folds in, you're good to go. It can fold out for additional just options.
And if you want to take it through a drive-through,
yes,
you can get your fast food, you zip down the window.
Yes, so that's the divider that goes behind the seat. I think we're gonna wrap it up on this one. Thanks again. My name is Dimitri, and Ian was handling the camera work. He will be doing the editing. And then now that you're watching this video, thanks again. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and please let us know which videos you absolutely love the best. Thanks again.